without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
Hi guys, we're here at Kusina Higala celebrating a birthday of Stella.
Hi guys! So, I'm home. Gikan sa mga lakaw na ako today. And unfortunately, wala ako naka-intro video kaganina. So, karon na lang nakumuhaton. And please bear with me. As you can see, I am so haggard. Sweat all over me. So, yeah. So, ganina, because Hubs is not around, so I have to commute. So, nag-ato din ko og kapistrano kay dito among meet up sa mga nag-order sa ako sa shop. So, if you want to check out my shop, guys, promote lang ako gamay Faith Frame CDO. Actually, for me, I am only a co-owner. Ang pinaka-owner yun, anak kasi God. Bitaw. So, if you want to check out, guys, our shop, ako i-pop up here, Faith Frames CDO. So, if ever naamoy mga events, nga nakay gusto katagan o gift, your friends, your colleagues, even pang decor sa imong home, sa imong office, na ay mga faith frames diri, na ay mga ref magnets. So, feel free to check it out, guys. I'm sure you'll love it. So, kato, so far akong mga lakaw today, and then I'm gonna show you after this video. So, thank you for watching! I don't know kung madunggan ko ninyo, guys, pero kaya wala mong payo, tapos medyo init. Let's get a refreshment dito sa fruit shake cafe something. So let's go. Come with me.
This obligation upon myself,
This obligation upon myself,
voluntarily, without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Mamatay, matapos, pero wala nakabalukog, ano sa, mas magaling mo nagwali. Ako lang po ito, ano yung mga binigana, na unsa man nakatong mga panaan, ako gatong gusto
Let's go! Lagi mo hilak, ani karon ba? Yes! And another monster truck. Yes. Let's go home na. Hali na. Dito sa pigas na car. Let's go na, let's go home. Hi guys. We're here at Kusina Higala celebrating a birthday of Stella. Guys, I'm practicing my vlog. I'm gonna vlog soon. Ah!
Guys, ayan. So, dito pala tayo sa Kusina Higala. Ito yung birthday girl natin. Te, how old are you na?
91 pabali. I'm 91 pabali.
So, 91. So, sa mga boys dyan, so we are having dinner here at Kusina Higala. A very nice ambience. Very classic.
Wow.
So, as you can see, they have a very wide variety of foods here. You can choose from foods from all over the island of Mindanao, from Maranao, Maguindanaon. We have also food from Zamboanga. So let's try their food later on.